This way, where you
Good
going?
morning! We're in Tokyo. At saka, nasa Tokyo po kami. We woke up early kasi napuyat kami. Hindi kami napuyat. Napuyat kami sa Pilipinas pala. Tapos di kami nakatulog sa airplane. So maaga kami natulog kagabi. 6:30 tulog na kami. So at 6:30 today we woke up. So naka 12 hours kami. Tapos na kaming kumain. Yung karamihan ng establishments dito nagbubukas 9 to 9:30. So pumunta kami sa Family Mart. Doon kami nag-almusal. So masarap yung pagkain nila. Mga chicken, merong noodles, whatever. And now we're going for a walk. Kasi ang itinerary namin today, we're going to Tsukiji Market, Asukaso? Asukasa Temple. And then we're going to Akihabara. And then Ginza. But for now, kasi tulog pa yung mga kasama namin, pupunta muna kami sa isang shrine. So, what's the name of the shrine? Hanazono Shrine or something like that. I'll tell you the name of the shrine while we get there. But at the moment, yung hotel namin malapit lang sa Shinjuku. So, lalakarin daw namin yung shrine and it takes 13 minutes to get there. Sobrang init sa Japan. We woke up at like 28 degrees. And I think it's gonna be around 37, 38 today. Sandali, may tumatawag. Yan, so we're now walking along. This is the road going to Shinjuku. Marami ring mga, ano dito, marami ring mga establishments, pero they're still closed. So dito namin kinuha yung pagkain namin kanina sa Family Mart. You can see, hello. Ayan, my son's taking the camera today. Tapos ito, meron silang mga establishments. You can see there's like huge buildings around here. Nangyari?
It's fine.
What does it say?
Wala, it's fine.
Okay. Yan, tapos, are we crossing the road, Pia? So here, you have to follow the rules. Crossing the road.
It's a fucking
Punta
move.
kami dun sa shrine. And just well, as you expect from Japan, everything. It's not that busy yet. Pero mamaya, ang daming tao ngayon because it's summer. So everyone's in Tokyo. Especially in this area of Shinjuku. And of course, you have the famous Shibuya crossing just down there. But we're going to do a 13-minute walk. Punta kami sa Hanazono Shrine. Apparently, it's a shrine bang in the middle of the city, but it offers some kind of a serenity amidst the noise, the bustle, the hustle. So, susundan namin si Pia. He's our navigator for today. Two things can happen. Pwedeng makarating kami sa pupuntahan namin o maniligaw kami. Ayan o. Tignan, pakita mo si Lola o.
No, you can't do that.
Nilinis siya.
You can't film locals, bro. What's wrong?
Yeah. So, andito po kami. Are you pointing it to me?
Uni.
You have to show it to
It's Uni.
everyone yung
Yeah,
mga
I know,
nakikita
I know.
nila. And gumagano siya mag-isa?
Kinokontrol ko.
Ah, oh nice. And then you have some bars here. Parang mayroong basketball court dito or something. And you can see, nagwawalis talaga sila, naglilinis sila. Walang basurahan dito, so kapag meron kang basura, you have to keep it to yourself until such time that you find a bin. Then you can throw it. Otherwise, hawakan mo yung dumi mo hanggang makakita ka ng basura. Hindi pwedeng tapon kung saan-saan. That's why it's clean everywhere. Now we are in some streets within Shinjuku. What's that?
I know. I'm going later.
What's that?
Batting center.
Oh, the batting center. Okay. Well, baseball is one of the popular sports here. Kapag merong mga national games, they actually close the offices and they go for a national holiday because they really like playing baseball here. And I can see loads of buildings around here, so it will be really surprising to see a national shrine here. They have a foot massage, oh. Yeah. Actually, pleasant yung weather. Mainit siya pero hindi na siya ganun kainit kaya meron pang lamig, tsaka wala pa yung araw. Pag dumarating yung araw, doon sobrang init. It goes up to 37 degrees and it's really scorching. Pero pag meron siyang breeze na konti or you're under the shade, you're fine. Tapos, you can see big buildings. Japan doesn't disappoint in terms of mga things that you expect, your technology, discipline, culture, all of that is here. Tapos, is it here, yeah, or we go straight down?
1 second, I can't actually do that.
What?
Ako na ako.
Okay.
Dito.
So, nawala yung aming navigator. Kahanap pa lang kami ulit.
Mali yung... It's fine if you go this way.
It's not. It's this way.
Mali na daw.
It's not.
Mali, tignan mo.
It's a straight road.
Right. Are we going there?
No, right. Left.
That was ages ago. You don't even know where we are
Left.
now.
Kagi, tignan mo. Ano siya sabi?
You know, you have to be mindful of the camera kasi mga tao nanonood. Okay. So,
Nanonood.
when I upload it.
That?
You have to edit this so everything's
Oh,
out.
this is where we were yesterday, right? This is the place to going to Donkey. No? Oh, this is Shinjuku.
No, that's Shibuya.
That's Shibuya.
Oh, that's Shibuya. Yes, please. Grand Costa. There's lots of tourists today. Well, it's summer in a lot of places in the world. You've got Lawson, no? Marami rin yung mga naka-costume ng cosplay. Oh, I like her shoes. At yung mga bilihin, hindi na siya ganun kamahal. Mura siya kasi, di ba mababa yung exchange rate ngayon. So, mas affordable na yung Japan ngayon. So, marami na rin talagang tourists na pupunta ngayon. Because they find it a bit more affordable than it used to be. What is it? Kabukicho. Ang dami kainan. Look at that. Oh, bakit siya 24 hours and open? Oh. Yeah, but they open lunch at 11 o'clock.
What the fuck?
I think they're open like 24 hours, pero they have like set time for lunch and dinner. So the rest of the time is just for drinks. Tapos, look oh, si King Kong. Show them King Kong inside of the building. Hindi bibenta ng mga to. Chirolo. Ramen. Pwede mo palang ganunin yung screen? You have to show me how to do that. Tapos, look at that, Zero. Club Boy. Binata. And then, Collins. Lala. Move on to the next stage. Parang mga club to. Hindi ganito, hindi nakaaga. Man. Para ka lang sa gitna ng ermita. Here. That icon here. Suzukaze Sora. I mean, billboards. Ang aga nung mga nag-offer ng mga beer. Ah, I think we're in the like entertainment center here. You can see like young girls. Look at those. I May takoyaki, oh. Jiro, what does the map say? Jiro's not even looking at the map, so you have to look at the map, Pia. I
Diretso
thought
pa.
you-
Ah, wala nga akong
Diretso.
taping.
Diretso, isa pa, yung next right.
Bakit wala kang paknak? Ba't wala kang data?
It's not working.
Yung smart map? That's why, moral of the story, use Globe.
It was working fine. Jiro's smart as well. No, he's not smart, but he's using smart as mobile.
your mobile phone again.
Stop my phone.
Yo, this is sick.
Are we gonna
It's like,
cross the road
it's like
here?
camera running
Let's go straight.
Take down pa daw.
for JTW.
Oh wow, show the bike, show the bike. Show the
Oh.
bike.
Go in the bin.
Here.
Daddy. Go to him.
Just cross the road, cross the road.
We're gonna cross the road now. Parang mga ano, parang yung mga celebrities na sariling show or something, real. Showtime. Oh, look at this. I like this restaurant here. Oh, show them. Yakutari, Kushiyage, Yakitori, Karate. All the nice food. Tapos yan, Gotham Tokyo. Ganda yung ano sarap yung lakad kayo. Sabi na rin yan. Yan. Mga turista may dala-dala. Is this the right one? Right na tayo dito?
Yep.
Yeah. So just to remind everyone, papunta po kami sa isang shrine, Hanuzano Shrine. If that is the correct name, which I'm going to confirm later. And it is a shrine bang in the middle of the city. Ito na ba yun? Pia?
I don't think so.
Diretso ka daw po. Ito yung mga vending machine. Lahat dito mabibili mo. Like they have got water, Coca-Cola, parang Red Bull. They have like, is that cold coffee? It's the same, you know, thing that Japan is known for. You can buy everything on the vending machine. Ano to? Oh, this is like a skin center. But again, mahirap kasi wala silang English translation. But always use Google Translate. Ay. Look, it's a small. Pakita mo yung menu na. Kita natin. Ayun mo. Oh. Mga cold cuts, of course, the steak. Iba-ibang klaseng steak, spare ribs, and everything. Siguro meron silang pudding dyan. No? So obviously for grilling, there's, okay, something for everyone here. And this is my favorite shop, Family Mart. Family Mart. Buti pa si Jiro, alam na niyang i-manipulate yung camera ko. Isang tutok lang. Don't even know how to move it. Tapos, look, show them the alleyway. Yung mga maliliit na kanto-kanto. Look, oh, I like that. I actually like that. Really nice. Okay, let's go. Keep on going. Sabi ni Tito, Wax, kung may time daw tayo, pwede na natin puntahan yung Godzilla Head. Sa Godzilla Head, pwede na daw natin puntahan kung may time tayo. Do you know that? Godzilla Head sa Shinjuku, Toho. I really like these little alleyways here. Look. Really, really nice. Really good. Mind the truck. Right. Maybe we can use this side of the road now. Okay, so hello po. Yeah, we're still walking. We're going along the shrine. Oh, going towards the shrine, not along the shrine. Going towards the shrine. And kita nyo, linis. I turn it around to show them the really nice building. Where are we now? I think we've done more than 30 minutes.
Yun know, sir.
Oh, 1 minute away na lang daw tayo. So, minuto na lang. Makakarating na tayo sa ating shrine. Okay? So, Hana Tono, Hana Tona. I'll confirm the name. Importante makarating tayo doon. Tapos makita nyo. Parang kayo nag-Japan. Right. Napansin nyo, manipis na t-shirt lang tayo tsaka short kasi mainit talaga. Mainit siya today. It's the summer season here.
We walk past it already.
No, dito yung entrance.
Yung entrance.
Malayo!
Sabi ko na yung kanina yun eh. Yung sa my bridge.
No,
I
no.
saw it. I think I saw
Tama, may entrance dun sa ano.
yung pinakita ko.
No, dito.
No!
Look.
Yung nga sinabi ko kaninang bridge.
Hindi yun, Dad. Malapit lang dito.
Naligaw na po kami as expected. Never happens if I'm navigating, but you know,
Ito yung
you have
entrance.
to give the kids a chance.
Ayun yung shrine, no?
Saan? Yun na pala yung shrine eh. Right in front of us. Pakita mo na yung ano. Kita din na po yung yung bubong ng shrine. Yes. Yung orange. Open 24 hours for worshipers. For tourism, it's not go there. Meron silang tindahan ng Atimat. They call them amulets. But it's that
Wait, mauna.
9 o'clock. Hindi na po natin kailangan ng agimat kasi meron naman na tayong buong rebellia. So, here we are. Ito na yung shrine. Wala siyang name, and even if it has a name, we won't be able to pronounce it anyway. Oh, we can pronounce it, but I don't think we can read it. Oh, I like it. Ang ganda. Just need to be respectful. So, kung ano yung mga rules nila. So, kayo po yung mga bumibiyahe dyan. Always be respectful. You always follow the rules, whatever it says. So, ito po yung mga rules nila dito. No eating, no drinking, and no smoking. It's a sacred space, so your cooperation is highly. Tapos, you won't believe that you're actually in the middle of Shinto here. It's really, really good shrine. I'll try to go inside.
Meron kang yan?
Yeah, I have some yen. Saan nilalagay yung yen na?
Dun sa malaking box na bra.
Bibigay. Ay, pera pa. Ay, asa na yun? May
Kung bukas,
may yen po.
usually. Nakita mo yung mga puti na yan?
Oh.
Mga wishes. Yun yung...
Okay. Tapos ilalagay mo dyan. Meron parang wishing doon, no? Shall we go there before we go to the temple itself? Dito lang po natin yung mga... Ito yung ano, yung maglalagay ka ng pera dun sa ano, tapos mag-wish ka. Ay, maghuhugas ka. Hugasan lang yun. I thank you. Meron pa doon. Let's see what's in there. Oh, this is really nice. Yung parang entrance to the shrine. Really nice. Ito yung ito yung shrine natin. Meron na rin mga tourist na nandito. Let's go inside. I'll go first. Oh, Pasha. There's something about dragons and flowing waterfall. This is a Shinto. Is it a Shinto shrine or a Buddhist shrine? Shinto shrine. The shrine is guarded by. I think these are wolves or wolves in the shrine itself.
May kang yan.
Saan talaga yung yan?
Just like this, I'll show you.
Choose. Don't use all of them. Okay. Get one. Get this one.
What are you
Yeah.
doing?
Wow.
I think we need to put the yan here. Are you sure, Jiro?
Sabi naman.
Saan? Doon?
Yep.
Yung daw yung yan.
Kari.
Should go inside the temple now.
Okay.
Yan ganda dali.
No worry.
Okay, dito na tayo. Let's go inside. We don't think incense though. I think incense is more good. Ayun na, di pa nila. Tapos papalasak sila ng twice. I wanna do that.
It's 222
No, it doesn't matter.
This is the main temple. So you're inside. You're gonna really
I don't think you should do it if you're not.
bow twice. Hop twice. Jiro, Jiro, nice to meet you. Oh, I like that. Oh, yes. I will describe. Look. Just read it, Felix.
What's
That's
that?
sad.
That's Ireland.
Huh?
Illinois?
Illinois.
Ireland?
Illinois, North Lake 9. Oh, that's sad. I wanna take that.
Is that a job request? This is a Google something. No? I think it's a job request.
Daniel Lee. What an idiot.
So look at that. That
Like,
handwriting.
pray siya, hindi mo siya naglagay ng coin.
I know, he's a bit crazy like that.
Subway Shinjuku strong. Meron na palang subway dito. You can take this one. But look at the buildings. This is right in the middle of Shinjuku. You can see a big Uniqlo there. That's Tayaki. Yeah. Nanong IT card? Pwede ya. Itang naos na ka card. So papasok na tayo sa Shinjuku Gyoen National Garden. That's good. So, hindi mo na kailangan bumili ng ano. Kasi yung parang Oyster card pwede nang gamitin sa entrance sa park. So, ano mo lang siya. Pwede na siya dito. So, yan. Tatap mo lang siya dun sa papasok. There. Yes. And this is the garden. Nano lang nga chicken. Information center. At yung museum, greenhouse, cafe, store, rest house. Just a nice garden, isn't it? Let's see. Na. Ito pong map. Amerikano Maynila. Saan lang natin yung ano. This is nice. Kaya nga rin kaya, insekto. Maingay yung insekto. Shinjuku National Garden. There's a map here. Childwood is area for, ito po mong formal garden. Ano pa yung formal garden? Ito, traditional garden. Doon lang tayo pumunta. Ay. Hindi makapasok si Jiro? Ante Jiro din. Ay, tiya. Ano si Jiro nak? Hindi siya makapasok? Wala nang laman? O baka lang sasali gagamitan nito eh. Oo. Ang tinanding mayang kaya nga baktabalo yung may mayas.
Isa na yung palakas.
Sinopan din. Kalita kayo magloko eh. Kanina pa. Ang ganda dito. Ma-presko. Pero titingin tayo dun sa National Garden. Sa Jap. Let's read it. Shinjuku Gyoen covers about 60 hectares on a roughly east to west axis. Shinjuku, Okido, and Sendagaya. Meron siyang formal garden, Tamamo Pond, landscape garden, Japanese traditional garden. There's a Chinese style pavilion. Meron siyang Japanese tea house. Grizzly Meadows. That's nice. Hindi pa po kami nakapasok kasi yung anak ko, Jiro, tiyata umaandar yung ano niya. Hindi umaandar yung kanyang ticket. Let's see what happens. Let's go to the traditional garden. Okay. Utatimbahay din garden. May masantik in London. Karamihan. Pati rin kaya kami kay libre lang. Kasi ang iba, yung pinakamaragulang museums, galleries, lahat, libre. May bayad sa queue? Ay kasi kaya ito, naman National Garden to, kaya niyang kahit eh. Royal Parks yun eh. Royal Park? Hindi ha. Ang Green Park National.
Green Park?
Oo, national yun.
Green Park? Those are Royal Park.
Eh, ba't libre? Kasi dahil may exhibitions. Nice. Ay, kanyaman kene.
Presto.
Kapresko. Kanya naman. Narinig niyo yung ano?
Makanya.
Ha?
Kaya kami bali mo.
Gabala yung makanyan? Bakit?
Yung katang kilika.
Ha? Takal ko warta naman. Tinatantay namin yung COVID. Going to the traditional garden. Shinjuku Gate, Mother and Child Woods. That's nice. This well kaya. Well tended. Kaganda ng mga ano. King kaya kata Manila timpam ay tintang National Wildlife ne. Wildlife Parks and Gardens.
Makanta.
Kang
Balong
Inoy.
ng Manila Zoo.
Ati Ninoy Aquino Wildlife Parks and Gardens. Malapit siya King Kai Triangle. Nice.
Pero lang kaning karagod eh.
Ala. King Kai Marakal. London. Sa London maraming ganito. Mayroong Hyde Park, Green Park, Battersea Park. Tsaka mga ragulo talaga. Clapham Common. Kaya ni pala pag sinawa na kayang mapaliking city, munta na ka Kenny niya. Yaloklok ka Ken, presko. Yung Richmond Park Pia, nakapunta ka na ba? Kalaki din. Yung nakapunta ka na? Nung nag-deer watching kayo, wala kayong nakitang deer.
No, that was just there sa ano yun. Sa Windsor.
Ah, si Kuya pumunta na daw. Ikaw nagsabi sa akin, pumunta. Pero nung pumunta ako dahil kadami ko nakitang deer. Kaganda. So this is the traditional garden. That's good. Baka yung dala niya. Ay, ma-warning ang Dora, maka wheelchair. Deer. Munta pa mo kanyang kaya tangating deer. King Nara.
Malapit ka naman yun.
Kyoto ta, di ba?
Malapit ka ako sa akin.
Wow. Karin takal mo ring trains o kumaatong sakyan.
Ano? Kasi naman direct.
Okay.
Half day mo kaya ilakan mo. Wala.
Taguliya ito. Sabi ta rin, alwa, manginis lo.
Kaya ako nung rin pa kanan.
Bakit? Kinisan takdamat?
Kabid ah.
Oh, nice.
Wala akong masan doon. Stairs.
Na.
Stairs ka pa.
That's so nice. Oh, that's so cool. Look at that. It's like a little pond. Parang siyang malaking version ng Japanese garden sa yung sa Kyoto sa ano
Holland Park.
sa Holland Park. Oh, that's nice. Ganda pala siya dito, oh. Meron siyang mga little Japanese bridges and a pond. Yeah, it's a larger version of the Kyoto garden in Holland Park. Para ka rin nasa Manhattan, right in the yeah, in Central Park, like in the middle of the city. You find this place. Oh, really nice. Like it? Napakaganda. Okay. Ayan, nakita niyo na yung Japanese garden. Very nice. Part pa rin to ng National Guard. Nice. Kapag sinabi mong Japan, yung mga ano na to, di ba? Yung mga puno-punong ganyan.
Mabilog-bilog.
Oo. Yung mga,
Yung mga bonsai lang ba?
wow, parang bonsai na rin yan. Parang mga pines. Di ba doon sa mga nabibili mga posters ng Japan, palagi yung mga ganyan-ganyan. Oh, there's like a little Japanese cottage in the distance. Can you see it there? Nice. Yeah. Makalinis eh. Balham Golf Course eh. Linis. Ganda. I know, right? Every opportunity to get a shade. Marami na rin magala mga tao. Oh, nice. See the Japanese thing there. Mag-date la rin. We're on a date. Ay, Alina. Friends la pala. Well, you can be friends and be on a date. Duh. Kaya nga makabuts na pang matas ng kapali. Diyos ko. Ah. Wow. There you go. Kaya nga di ba pag akakit doon yung gimbal mo kanini, i-assume daw automatic mag-vlog ko. It's nice ones.
Tatakot ng video rin tayo ngayon. Pwede maka-Coldplay lang.
Mapin. Mapin. No, mareta nga doon mareta. Nung yung sinalikot ta, no mapansin. O nalinong dagya. Nice. Yan ka-obvious guilty. Kaya to di Chris Martin, ano. Either you're very shy, was there something happening there? Ito, ano.
Thing affair.
May viral na tuloy. Kanina haliwan tayo, kagaling. Sago di may kagawa ng fake news na may labas siyang statement and everything. Oh my God. Now we're going inside this Japanese cottage here. Oh, nice. Yung masanting kayo niya, ting ramp. Punta kami kaya tang namatay yung parang pinsan yung daddy ko. Kung mami ko naman dugo makapalik kaya tayo pala lang ramp. Funeral home siya. Oh, kaya katamo niya. Second floor ang po, third floor. Kapag lang yung ramp pala yung elevator. Makanano. Nice. Oh, this is perfect view. Look at that. That's amazing. Right. So I think we're gonna end our National Garden vlog here. I'll just show you my face. Just share. Kasanting po niya. Oh. Sige po. Murot-durot kami pa kanyan. We're inside the little cottage there.